Surah Introduction. Surah Al-Alaq is the 96th chapter of the Holy Quran, and it emphasizes the significance of Allah Almighty as the Creator and Absolute Lord of the universe. The surah highlights that Allah is the sole source of knowledge and light, and the process of enlightening the heart and mind with the light of knowledge begins with the blessed and glorious name of Allah. The surah also explains the creation of mankind, stating that Allah created humans from a mixture of sperms, and the gift of knowledge and growth, and its teaching through the pen, is also from Allah. However, mankind often forgets the rewards and honors of their absolute Lord and becomes rebellious and tyrannical in this worldly life. They forget that this worldly life is just a few days, and their return is to Allah Almighty, and they will have to answer for their actions. The surah also warns against the misunderstanding of the pride of wealth, possessions, and children in human possessions, which leads to deception. It explains that humans are merely guests in this world, and their status is nothing more than that of a guest. Just as a guest departs empty-handed after spending time in luxury, humans will also depart from this world empty-handed. The surah emphasizes that humans forget their true status as guests in this world and become lost in the colorful rallies of life, forgetting the realization of the exact truth. They accumulate wealth and are blessed with children, but they forget that they are only guests and have to return to their host, Allah Almighty. The surah concludes by emphasizing the importance of recognizing and praising the host, Allah Almighty, and seeking forgiveness for any shortcomings. It encourages believers to attain nearness to their absolute Lord and Master through prostration and seeking forgiveness with a constant frame of mind and mood. In summary, Surah Al-Alaq emphasizes the significance of Allah Almighty as the Creator and Absolute Lord of the universe and encourages believers to recognize their status as guests in this world. It highlights the importance of praising and thanking Allah, seeking forgiveness, and attaining nearness to their absolute Lord and Master. The surah consists of 19 verses.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Iqra bismi rabbika alladhi khalaq.
With the name of Allah, the extremely beneficent, the extremely merciful. Recite with the name of your kind and caring absolute Lord who have created. Quran 96:1.
خلق الإنسان من علق.
He has created the human being from mingled semen. Quran 96:2.
اقرأ وربك الأكرم.
Recite, and your kind and caring absolute Lord is the most honorable dash. Quran 96:3.
الذي علم بالقلم.
Who has taught knowledge with the pen dash. Quran 96:4.
علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم.
Taught the human being that which he knew not. Quran 96:5.
كلا إن الإنسان ليطغى.
Not at all. Indeed, the human being surely transgresses. Quran 96:6.
أن رآه استغنى.
Because he sees himself as self-sufficient. Quran 96:7.
إن إلى ربك الرجعى.
Indeed, to your kind and caring absolute Lord is the return. Quran 96:8.
أرأيت الذي ينهى.
Have you seen the one who forbids? Quran 96:9.
عبدا إذا صلى.
A servant when he has interconnected with Allah, SWT, i.e. praise. Quran 96:10.
أرأيت إن كان على الهدى.
Have you seen if he is upon the guidance? Quran 96:11.
أو أمر بالتقوى.
Or enjoins righteousness. Quran 96:12.
أرأيت إن كذب وتولى.
Have you seen that he has denied and turned away? Quran 96:13.
ألم يعلم بأن الله يرى.
Does he not know that Allah sees? Quran 96:14.
كلا لئن لم ينته لنسفعا بالناصية.
Not at all. If he does not desist, we will surely drag him by the forelock. Quran 96:15.
ناصية كاذبة خاطئة.
A lying, sinning forelock. Quran 96:16.
سندع الزبانية.
Thus let him call his associates. Quran 96:17.
سندع الزبانية.
We will call the angels of hell. Quran 96:18.
كلا لا تطعه واسجد واقترب.
Not at all. Do not obey him. But prostrate and draw yourself near to Allah. Quran 96:19. Brief commentary. Surah Al-Alaq, the 96th chapter of the Holy Quran, begins by inviting the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, to recite the Quran with the name of his absolute Lord, who is kind, caring, and the creator of the universe. The surah emphasizes the importance of recognizing and praising Allah's power and wisdom in creating human beings from mingled semen. The surah then highlights Allah's honor and his role as the teacher of knowledge with the pen. He has taught humans what they did not know, and his return is to him. The surah then warns against the consequences of human arrogance and self-sufficiency, pointing out that humans often forget that they will ultimately return to their absolute Lord. The surah then addresses those who forbid others from praying or enjoining righteousness, questioning their actions and warning them of the consequences of denying and turning away from Allah. The surah emphasizes that Allah sees all and will drag those who refuse to desist by their lying, sinning forelock. The surah concludes by encouraging believers to prostrate and draw near to Allah, rather than following the commands of those who deny and turn away from Him. It emphasizes the importance of recognizing and praising Allah's power and wisdom in creating human beings from mingled semen. In summary, Surah Al-Alaq emphasizes the importance of recognizing and praising Allah's power and wisdom in creating human beings and teaching them knowledge. It warns against the consequences of human arrogance and self-sufficiency and encourages believers to prostrate and draw near to Allah. The surah consists of 19 verses. Allah's qualities and features. Surah Al-Alaq highlights several qualities and features of Allah, including 1. Creator and absolute Lord of the universe. The surah emphasizes that Allah is the Creator and absolute Lord of the universe, and everything in it, including humans, is a manifestation of His power and wisdom.